starting today, new routine is going into place as far as I'm going to be extremely disciplined when it comes to making videos, filming videos, editing videos, uploading them, working out, diet, everything. It's going to be a brand new JMC Rides, I guess you can say. So subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing and documenting everything that I do on the channel, and that also includes people who want to learn how to make some money on YouTube, and not just YouTube, just on social media period. Follow the channel because I'll be sharing some of those things that are working for me. Alright, as you can see, I got the Corvette right behind me, and I'm at one of my favorite spots in Long Island. So yeah, guys, it's absolutely 100% true. Today, I basically just quit my job. I've been thinking about doing this already for a very long time. I should have done this probably way sooner, but it just got to a point where, you know, I can't keep waking up every morning feeling like, oh, I don't want to go to work. It's not that I don't like what I do for a living. I actually love what I do for a living. I'm a senior Cisco network engineer for people who are not familiar with me, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. And at my last job, I lasted around 18 years before I decided to leave and for another job. And at this job that I'm currently at, lasted for a few years. Never been fired from any place. I've always, in my opinion at least, you know, maybe I'm a little bit biased, I've always done a great job. I mean, if I didn't do a great job, I probably would have got fired or something like that. But point is, I decided to quit because I just wasn't happy working at the specific place that I was working at. It has nothing to do with the actual work that I do. That I might end up doing again in the future. And a normal person probably would have waited to go find another job before they decide to quit. I'm not normal. That's not how I do things. I literally have nothing else lined up. In fact, for at least like the next month, I don't even plan on looking for another job. Maybe after a month, I might change my mind. We'll see what happens. I don't know. But for now, I'm going to do the one thing that I absolutely love, which is I'm going to create a lot of car content. I'm going to keep uploading videos to YouTube. I got a few tricks up my sleeve for social media stuff that I'm planning on implementing and doing. And I'm going to go harder than ever on social media. So if you guys have supported me on the channel before, I'm going to need your support now more than ever. So basically a few things that you can expect on the channel. It's going to be the upload frequency is going to go up a lot more. There's going to always still be the car content as always. We're going to do the racing, the girls, all that kind of stuff. That stuff is not going to change. I'm also planning on adding newer content, other things that I'm interested in, like maybe some tech stuff. I am an engineer and I've worked in IT my entire life, so I'm really into tech stuff. I'm thinking about maybe including some of that stuff in combination with the car stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, support the channel, give the videos a thumbs up, always comment below, and watching the videos in their full entirety always helps with the YouTube algorithm. Even if you don't have time to finish watching the whole video, hey, just let the video play to the end. It really helps the channel out a lot. Now, people like my family, I haven't even told my family yet, but when I tell my family, they're probably gonna think I'm absolutely crazy. But to be honest with you, I've never been more sure about a decision that I've had to make in my entire life. I'm extremely happy about it. You know, the second I did this, I basically feel like I just lifted like a bunch of like a big load right off my shoulders. And I'm very happy that I finally just pulled the trigger on this decision. I know some of my coworkers are hitting me up saying, I can't believe you actually did this. You're absolutely crazy. I'm like, I got to give this a shot. I know a lot of people may not agree with my decision, but hey, you know what? At the end of the day, all these things are just material things. And I still, my plan B is always, I'm still a senior Cisco network engineer, and you could pull a nice six-figure salary doing this, and pretty much anywhere in the world you could do this line of work. And it's not hard to find work, especially if you're good at what you do. It's not hard to find work doing this kind of thing. So for now, for the next month, maybe month and a half, we're gonna go as hard as possible. with YouTube and everything else. I hope you guys enjoy the content. We're not going to drag out this video, make it longer than it needs to be. I'm just going to enjoy the view over here for a little bit and grab some dinner. Oh, also, very important, now that I don't have to deal with all that unnecessary stress from the day job and all that other stuff that was going on, the other thing is I'm finally going to get back and focus on the fitness part of it. I may integrate some of that into the channel a little bit here and there. And the gym's being shut down, I'm going to be honest, I've put on a ridiculous amount of weight. I was literally in the gym twice a day, almost every single day. I would probably take maybe 1 or 2 days off a week, and I was in the gym twice a day, no joke. Now, I was doing great, but we're gonna fix all that stuff. Now I am going to do I'm literally going to do everything that I've wanted to do, and I don't have anything holding me back. So I hope you guys enjoy the content that's on the way, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.